Hello everyone, welcome to Trav Shots with Nishant Krishna. This is the beginning of a new travel series called as Everything You Need to Know About. My first destination for Everything You Need to Know About series is going to be Maldives. I am going to answer all the FAQs that normally people have for your trip to Maldives. Starting with the first question. No. So seaplanes are normally available during the daytime, that is from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. So in case if you are arriving earlier or after the operating hours, it is better that you choose a hotel somewhere near the airport in Malé for the first day and then take the earliest flight to your private resort on the next day. Ooredoo and Dhiraagu are the two largest telecom operators in Maldives. So you can get a SIM in the arrival area just in between the international and domestic terminals. You'll get a data SIM for roughly about say $2 to $3 and then you can add any internal package to it. So I must agree that Maldives is a luxury destination and there is a price tag attached to everything. So as I recommended before, make sure that whenever you book a hotel in Maldives or a private resort especially, ensure that your hotel expenses covers everything, right from your airport transfers or your meal and everything, so that everything gets covered and you don't have to really pay anything additional. So ATMs are available in Malé and in the surrounding areas. When you go to a private beach resort, you might not find ATMs, but you can still use your credit card for any other transactions there. So the local currency used in Maldives is rufiya. But most of the establishments accept US dollars. So if you are carrying US dollars from here, I don't think you'll have to mandatorily go and convert that to rufiya. If you just have USD, I think that should be good enough. Yes, English is very commonly spoken and I don't think you will have any problem speaking to the local people or the tourists or the hotel staffs for that matter. So most of the private resorts have a doctor on-site facility. Within Malé, I think you have a government hospital and a private hospital which has almost all the facilities that you require. So most of the 5-star hotels there do not charge anything additional for Wi-Fi. So some of the properties in Malé do charge, or you might get a data card in one of these properties. So tipping is not very common in Maldives. Places like airport and other restaurants don't even encourage tipping because there is already an addition of 10% service charge already added to your bill. But you can still tip at your own discretion. I hope you liked this edition of Trav Shots. This Everything You Need to Know About series is gonna continue for other destinations as well. So if you have any preference, please do drop it in the comment section. If you like my channel, please do subscribe to it and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. Till the next one, signing off, Nishant.